So an easy way to make your transformer, whatever transformer it is, Wi-Fi, is just with a simple outdoor Wi-Fi timer. This one's from Wion. There's many smart outdoor timers. The reason I like this one is just it does a really good job. You can leave it outside. It can get wet. It's not going to short out. So it's a really good one for that, and it's simple to use. It's only 2 or 3 steps to get this set up. But the way you use this now is instead of going and plugging your transformer into your GFCI receptacle, you're basically plugging your Wion timer into the plug-in. You're putting your plug-in from your transformer into the timer. You're setting this in the on position, and then you can control everything via Wi-Fi with a simple app from Wion. It's also Amazon Alexa compatible too, which we really like. Why do you need a transformer? I get that question all the time. And basically what the transformer does is once you plug that into your outlet in your home, you convert that power from 110 watt down to 12 volt, which is what makes these lights safe. That's what helps them use less power, and that's basically what runs the light. So do you need a transformer? Yes, you do. And there's some cool ways that you can do that and keep the prices down. And one thing I would also recommend is if you're plugging it outside, is go and pick up a simple outdoor box like this that you can you can put on your outlet, and then that way when you plug in your transformer, you're not worried about water and stuff getting in it. So just a simple little $4 or $5 part that you can go get at any home improvement